Sir and all my dear friends, my name is Neetu Pawar. I live at Jodhpur. I have done my schooling from Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Baitul, and presently I am studying BSc second year with Maths in JS College. This is all about myself. Now you are welcome to ask me questions.
Hi Ritu,
Hello, Payal.
how are you?
I am fine, and you?
I'm also good. May I ask some questions?
Yes, you are most welcome.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live at Jodhpur.
How many members are there in your family?
There are 10 members in my family.
What is your father and mother?
My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 6 siblings.
What do you want to become?
I want to become a doctor because I want to protect the people of society and help to other peoples.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading books, playing games, watching TV and mobiles.
Do you take breakfast every day?
No, I do not take breakfast every day.
Who prepares breakfast for you?
I prepare breakfast.
Do you take lunch daily?
Yes, I take lunch daily.
What do you generally take in lunch?
I generally take in lunch pulse or rice.
Who prepare lunch for you?
My mother prepares lunch for me.
What o'clock do you take lunch?
I take lunch at 12 o'clock.
What do you like to take in lunch?
I like pulse or rice taking lunch.
What o'clock do you generally take lunch?
I generally take in lunch at 12 o'clock.
Do you take lunch alone or with family?
I take lunch alone.
How many chapatis do you eat in lunch?
2 to 3 chapatis I eat in lunch.
Do you wash your hands before you eat?
Yes, I wash my hands before I eat.
Do you eat fruits daily?
No, I do not eat fruits daily.
Which is your favorite fruit?
Mango is my favorite fruit.
Do you like exercise?
No, not like exercise.
Do you go to a morning walk?
No, I do not go to a morning walk.
Do you like to play sports?
Yes, I like to play sports.
Which is your favorite game?
Ludo is my favorite game because this Ludo game is not a risky game like the other outdoor games, and Ludo game is develops our brain.
Do you like to watch TV?
Yes, I like to watch TV.
What do you watch more on TV?
I watch more serials on TV.
You don't like reality shows? You don't like reality shows?
No.
When do you watch TV?
I watch TV in the evening.
Who is your favorite actor?
Tiger Shroff is my favorite actor.
And who is your favorite actress?
Shweta Kapoor is my favorite actress.
Which is your favorite movie?
Shauganti is my favorite movie.
What types of movies do you like most?
I like most comedy and action movie.
Which movie has inspired you most?
Tare Zameen Par movie has inspired me most.
Do you like to celebrate the festivals?
Yes, I like to celebrate the festivals.
Which festival are celebrated most in India?
Holi, Diwali, Dasara and Christmas festivals are celebrated most in India.
Which festival do you like most?
I like most Holi and Diwali.
How do you celebrate Diwali festival?
Diwali festival is celebrated by decorating our houses with traditional oil lamps, candles, tube lights, flowers and beautiful rangolis.
Are you beauty conscious person?
Yes, I am beauty conscious person.
Do you use cosmetics to maintain your beauty?
No, I do not use cosmetics to maintain my beauty.
What o'clock do you wake up every day?
I wake up every day at 6 o'clock.
Do you help your mother in household work?
Yes, I help my mother in household work.
Tell me something about your country.
My country name is India. India is a very beautiful country, and New Delhi is the capital of India. And India is world's 7th largest country. And India is an agriculture country. And Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India.
Tell me something about your state.
My state name is Madhya Pradesh. It is the heart of our country, and Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. And the culture of Madhya Pradesh is a harmonious amalgamation of the Hindus, Muslims, and Buddhists.
Tell me something about your district.
The district name is Baitul, and in Baitul district many religions live in, and there are many famous places in Baitul.
Tell me something about your village.
My village name is Jodhpur, and the sarpanch of my village is Mrs. Dwarka Sagre, and there are many houses in my village, and the population of my village is 2 to 3,000.
Okay, nice talking to you, Neetu.
Thank you, and same to you.